Good morning, students. Today we will discuss tropical rainforests. Actually, tropical rainforest, tropics. They lie near the equator. Because as they lie near the equator, there is day and night duration almost equal. Day and night duration almost equal. They have hot and humid climate conditions. Hot and humid climatic conditions. Temperature range about 15 degree centigrade in the winter and summer 40 degree Celsius. Summer 40 degree Celsius. But nowadays the temperature reach up to the 45 50 degree Celsius in extreme conditions. Next one, their important feature of the tropical climate, regular rainfall. Regular rainfall throughout the year. They receive regular rainfall throughout the year. Which countries lie in the tropical conditions? Southeast Asia, Central America and Africa. Southeast Asia, Central America and Africa. India also, some part of the India also lie in this Assam, Western Assam, Meghalaya, Western Ghat, right? So they have dense vegetation and variety of the plants and animals. Due to sufficient supply of the water, they have dense varieties of the plants and animals. So what are the climatic condition of the tropical rainforest? Hot and humid. Temperature range, winter about 15 degrees Celsius, summer about 40-45 degrees Celsius. They lie near the equator. Their characteristic feature, regular rainfall throughout the year. Now students, look adaptations in the animals living in tropical rainforest conditions. As we have discussed earlier, there are a number of the variety of the plants and animals, large variety, because there is sufficient rainfall, sufficient food is available. So the large number of the animals are there. Large number of animals are there, large competition, so animals are well adapted to survive in such kind of the conditions. There are some predators. Predators are well adapted. Lion, leopards, tiger. In such kind of the animals, as you observe, our eyes, front eyes, in front. Deep, such kind of the eyes known as stereotyping eyes. Stereotype. What term we use? Stereotype. It means depth in the vision. Depth in the vision to fix their target efficiently, more efficiently, to judge the distance of the prey from us, from the predator. They can judge more efficiently and they can reach, number one, eyes to fix the target. Second one, they are fast runner. They are fast runner. Next one, to catch their prey easily. Next one, they have strips on their body. Tiger, lion, panther, leopards, strips on their body, so that they can hide themselves in the surrounding. Hide themselves in the surrounding and can reach up to the nearby the prey. These are some adaptations in the predators. Not only predators are well adapted, preys are also well adapted. Prey. Cow, buffalo, deer, goat, sheep. In such kind of the animals, you look, eyes are laterally present. Eyes are present laterally on the head. Laterally on the head. So that they can view, इस साइड भी ज़्यादा देख सके, इस साइड भी देख सके, दोनों साइड पर क्या हो रहा है एक साथ देख सके. So they can view large area and they can find if there any predator, enemy, they run away. They run very fast. Got it? So these are some adaptations in the predators and prey in the tropical rainforest conditions. Now look, adaptation in the red frog. Red-eyed frog. Red-eyed frog, eyes are red in color. It basically live on the trees and its color is the green. Its green color camouflage with the surrounding. Camouflage hide it in the surrounding. Its red eyes to scare the enemy. Red eyes to scare the enemy, especially during night time. It has sticky pads. Feet, sticky pads on the feet, so that it can climb up easily on the trees. So that it can climb up easily on the trees. Stick on the trees, so that it can climb easily. Got it? So red-eyed frog lives on the tree, green color, red eyes scare the enemies, sticky pads to climb up on the trees. It eat insects that easily catch on the trees, which live in the bark. Right? Now next one is the loin-tailed macaque. Loin-tailed macaque is also known as beard ape. Loin-tailed macaque is also known as beard ape. The face, white, silver white mane. Silver white mane, you can say beard. Silver white beard. This loin-tailed macaque is also commonly known as beard ape. And now it is long white silver white mane around its head and face. Actually, it live on the trees, arboreal. The animals which live on the trees known as arboreal animals. Arboreal habitat. What kind of habitat? Arboreal. The animals which live in the burrows, we use a term fossorial. The animals which live in the burrows, fossorial animals. The animals which live on the trees, arboreal. Arboreal animals and the animals which live on the trees. Got it? Now, the wily monkey come to the ground to food, to obtain its food. But its food diet is the fruit, seeds, flowers, insects which are found in the bark. So its main diet, fruit, seeds, flowers, these are available on the trees. So the beard ape rarely come to the ground. Beard ape rarely come to the ground. Now students, look, the tropical rainforests are also home of a number of monkeys and apes. In case, what is the difference between the apes and monkeys? Monkeys having a tail, but apes do not have tail. Monkeys have tail, but apes do not have tail. They walk on two legs like us, but both for their maintaining balance they use also hands. But basically they use their legs, two legs. Got it? Apes example: chimpanzee, orangutan and gorilla. Chimpanzee, orangutan and gorilla. Chimpanzee is most intelligent ape. Chimpanzee is the most intelligent ape, and its intelligence about our human beings. Our brain, how much? Its capacity 1400 cc. Our brain capacity is 1400 cc. Like our brain capacity, the chimpanzee is also having 1400 cc brain capacity. Right? The monkeys which live in the tropical countries, a special monkey known as spider monkey. हमारे बंदरों को देखा है? हमारे मंकीज अपनी टेल को ऐसे ब्रांच के ऊपर ऐसे, दिस इज द ब्रांच, और ऐसे कोयल नहीं कर पाते. बट द मंकीज, स्पाइडर मंकी having the ability to coil its tail around the branch of the tree and hang like this one. ऐसे ऐसे लटकते रहते हैं स्पाइडर monkeys. These are basically found in South America. These are basically found in South America. Got it?